The retail landscape is in flux. Online giants encroach, physical stores transform, and customer expectations escalate. In this dynamic backdrop, frontline workers, the lifeblood of the industry, face growing pressure. Yet a powerful ally emerges: artificial intelligence. No longer a sci-fi trope, AI offers a transformative toolkit to empower retail workers, boosting their efficiency, enhancing customer experiences, and redefining the future of shopping. Forget dystopian visions of robots replacing humans. At its core, AI's role is to augment, not replace frontline workers. Repetitive tasks like inventory management, cashier duties, or product recommendations can be automated, freeing staff to focus on higher-value interactions. Imagine chatbots answering basic product questions, self-checkout kiosks streamlining payment, and smart shelves restocking themselves, all while human associates engage in personalized consultations, product demonstrations, and building customer relationships. This synergy of AI and human touch is the true power play, maximizing both efficiency and customer satisfaction. Today's shoppers are information hungry. They demand instant product details, personalized recommendations, and seamless omni-channel experiences. AI becomes the information engine, empowering frontline workers with real-time insights and data-driven recommendations. Imagine an associate equipped with a tablet displaying a customer's purchase history and suggesting complementary items, or a voice assistant whispering product specs as customers browse. This knowledge augmentation elevates the shopping experience, turning every interaction into a personalized journey. While AI excels at data and logic, it lacks the human touch. Enter emotional intelligence AI, capable of analyzing customer sentiment and behavior. Imagine cameras identifying stressed or confused customers, prompting associates to offer personalized assistance. Or AI analyzing social media mentions, identifying trending products and allowing associates to proactively recommend them to relevant customers. This empathy amplification fuels connection and fosters brand loyalty, transforming interactions from transactional to deeply human. Retail workforces are diverse with varying skill levels and training needs. AI-powered personalized training platforms can customize learning pathways, catering to individual strengths and weaknesses. Imagine interactive simulations fine-tuning cashier skills, VR modules demonstrating product knowledge, or gamified training modules boosting staff engagement. This adaptive learning ecosystem ensures a continuously upskilled workforce, equipped to navigate the ever-evolving retail landscape. Retail can be a demanding environment, with physical and mental well-being concerns. AI can step in as a safety guardian, promoting a positive and secure work environment. Imagine smart cameras detecting unsafe practices and offering real-time feedback, or AI-powered stress detection systems offering mindfulness exercises and support resources to overwhelmed workers. This holistic approach to well-being fosters a thriving workforce, boosting performance and employee satisfaction. These AI-powered scenarios are not futuristic fantasies. Companies like Amazon, using AR headsets for picking and packing, Nike, offering custom shoe recommendations through AI assistants, and Sephora, providing personalized beauty consultations via AI-powered mirrors, are already reaping the benefits of AI-augmented retail. As AI technology matures and cost barriers decrease, the integration of AI tools will become increasingly accessible, democratizing the benefits for smaller retailers and frontline workers alike. The key to a successful AI implementation lies in a human-centered approach. AI should complement, not replace, human skills. Workers must be involved in the development and deployment of AI tools, ensuring they address their needs and concerns. Transparency and ethical considerations are paramount, fostering trust and preventing job displacement anxieties. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on its user. The retail revolution is upon us, fueled by AI's transformative power. By empowering frontline workers, AI can usher in a new era of personalized, efficient, and data-driven shopping experiences. This is not about robots stealing jobs. It's about humans and AI working in tandem, maximizing their unique strengths to create a thriving retail landscape. The future of retail is not a cold, automated dystopia, but a vibrant ecosystem where technology enhances the human touch, ensuring frontline workers remain the heart and soul of the industry. So, embrace the AI revolution, frontline workers, and let's rewrite the retail story together.